I would use it a little bit, change the oil in it, fire it up, let it run for a while. So you're gonna have to open that up and let it bleed air because it comes right up to pressure really quickly.
Okay.
Let it run for a good 10 minutes, maybe a little bit longer. You can kind of feel these once they start getting good and warm. You're good, shut it off. Right here is your bleed for your oil. Drain all the oil out of it. Your fill is right here. And that's also your dipstick to see how much you put in it. How much it holds, I do not know. You're gonna have to just pour and check and pour and check and pour and check. I'm gonna guess it's gonna hold a couple quarts maybe.
How about oil type?
I would use a good synthetic oil. This says they're using mobile, whatever. Any good synthetic oil would be fine.
Okay.
And it doesn't tell you what the viscosity is. I'm going to guess you're going to be like in a 540, something in that area.
Okay. Air filter?
Air filter is right here. It probably could use change. It's going to be a pain in the neck to get into it. My suggestion is the first time you decide you want to change the oil in it, go ahead and if you want to, give me a call and I'll come over and kind of walk you through it and do it. We'll
Okay.
change that filter at that time.
Okay, cool. No other controls, nothing
Nope.
else to
Just plug in and it is pretty straightforward and pretty simple. So
Okay.
we talked about the petcock down here.
Oh yeah. So we should
I would
have
put something on there just because otherwise it's going to drain all that gunk out on the floor. Either that or put something underneath it.